Hey guys, right over here we have the 2023 Nissan Ariya Premier SUV. This is an all-electric SUV. This comes at a price point of $31,977, as well as an odometer reading of 7,379 miles. Not only that, but this vehicle has the black diamond pearl exterior paint color with front-wheel drive on this electric vehicle as well. Something else about our vehicles here at Nissan Car Companies, we actually do not have city sales tax, thus making you save around 2% on your vehicle purchase compared to other dealers. So basically you're going to be saving a lot of money is what I'm trying to say. In addition to all that, you're going to get 289 miles of battery on the range, as well as that the MSRP is $54,690. So again, saving that money, being able to use that money towards something else. You also have 238 horsepower on this vehicle, thus making this a pretty powerful EV. With that, we also can check out the front. You got the illuminating Nissan badge with the beautiful headlights, aluminum alloy wheels with the plastic pieces, keyless entry for all the door handles. With that as well, you get the Ariya Premier badge down there. So you're going to be getting that automatic tailgate in the rear, as well as cloth floor mats to add to it. So that's really, really nice. Going to the back of the vehicle using that keyless entry. Let's get inside. Get the black interior with the leather and the suede, making it look really good. Heated seats for the rear with USB-C and USB ports just to top it off. And also you get cup holders and this panoramic moonroof, which we'll check out in just a second. Going inside of the vehicle, you can tell that it looks really luxurious. It just looks fantastic. Get power adjustable seating for the driver and passenger, and memory seat settings for the driver. As well as that, you're going to be able to check out that we got these buttons right over here, including opening up the trunk and lane centering. So let's do that. Turn it on. Looks awesome. Got this leather wrapped steering wheel with the Pro Pilot Assist button right here. You can just click that and it'll show you the blind spot, forward, and lane departure warnings. So you got all that good stuff, as well as the center console right over here with a wireless charging pad. Awesome. Not only that, but you get the Parktronic feature, allowing you to basically have this car park itself for you. You can open and close this hidden compartment, which is awesome. Really great for storing, I would say, if you're gonna have a gun in your car, perfect. As well as that, you got different driving modes. So you got Sport, Standard, and Eco. And we got this. You got your cup holders over there, your shifter. This center console actually moves, allowing you to see the USB-C and USB ports right down there. So you got that and a 12-volt port. Up here, you're gonna be able to check out that you can control the AC. Let's actually turn this off real quick. So with that, you get a rear view camera with the 360-degree view camera system as well. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are on the infotainment display, and this thing's absolutely huge. So that's fantastic. You can see that a little bit. So yeah, let's go back. 360-degree view, rear view camera. Looks fantastic. Going up, you can see that we got the rear view mirror, and this actually has a camera on the back as well with garage door openers. Up here, you're going to have your sunglasses holder, the lights, SOS button, and controls to the panoramic moonroof. So, if you want to come check out this vehicle, come on down to Nissan Car Company to learn more. It actually stops halfway. It's kind of a convenience feature. So that's neat. So if you want to learn more, come on down and we'll see you guys in the next video.